We're asked to multiply and simplify. They specify that the variable represents a natural number. That's so they can avoid the possibility of a negative value underneath the radical for which there is no solution in the real numbers. Okay, in order to multiply, you cannot just send in the 2 to each term. As soon as you have things being added or subtracted, it gets a little bit more complicated. The exponent of 2 indicates that there's 2 sets of parentheses. All right, so if it was the exponent of 3, there'd be 3 sets of parentheses. And whatever's inside, that's what's in there. So we have radical 6y plus 1, radical 6y plus 1. Okay, and basically when you're multiplying, this is just the same as if you were multiplying 2x plus 3 and then 5x minus 7. You simply have to make sure that each term in this set of parentheses multiplies each term in this set of parentheses. Some people use the acronym FOIL to make sure that each term hits each term. Alright, so when we start out here, radical 6y times radical 6y. There's many ways to show this. I think I'll just put 6 times 6 is 36 and y times y is y squared. If you already understand that basically this radical is going to go away and you'll be left with 6y, you can write that on your first step. But I'm just specifically showing the result of that multiplication. Okay, then radical 6y times positive 1. Well, there won't be much mystery there. Radical 6y. I could put a 1 in front, but it's just understood to be there. I really don't need to do that. Then, making sure this 1 multiplies each term, I have plus radical 6y. And let's see, we have one more of these. 1 times 1. Okay. Now, the square root of 36 is 6. The square root of y squared is y. So that takes care of that. Over here, I want to be sure you see there is a 1 in front of each of these radicals. It's just understood to be there. So when we add them, we have 2 times radical 6y. And then this plus 1, I guess I've taken care of that, and then plus 1 simply comes down. So this is the simplified form of the original expression.